Hello everyone, today we will look at the 10 best tools you can use in your garage. If you wish, let's get started. 1. Power Tool Charging Station. A compact and tidy system that allows multiple cordless tools to be charged at the same time. It collects solar energy to provide free power to your sites. It not only benefits from the practical elements provided by our car charging station, but also provides a positive environmental impact. The built-in EcoSmart system, complete with a backup generator or hydrogen fuel cell, efficiently manages the power supply between the solar PV, battery bank, and HVO-ready generator. Each cabinet has two 230-volt 3-pin sockets and two USB 2.0 sockets. Each door is waterproof and has rubber seals on all sides to keep out wind and rain. Each cabinet is also vandal-proof and secure, and is available with key or code access, depending on your personal preferences. 2. Magnetic Tool Holder. These wall-mounted holders allow you to store hand tools in an orderly manner. The magnetic tool holder is the best tool for organizing tools. Simply attach all frequently used tools to the magnetic tool holder. No more searching through drawers, cabinets, and other storage areas to find the right tools. PML's magnetic tool holders can hold up to 20 pounds per inch, allowing you to attach the heaviest tools. They can be mounted anywhere, even on moving vehicles like pickup trucks. They only require 2 screws. 3. Hydraulic car. Jack, a garage essential used to lift cars quickly and safely. Hydraulic trolley jacks are perfect for accessing the undercarriage of vehicles at any height. Fixed or swivel wheels allow for precise positioning under vehicles, cars, trucks, etc., before lifting. Depending on the model selected, the maximum allowable load can range from 1.3 to 10 tons. Hydraulic trolley jacks are usually compact in size for easy storage when not in use. 4. Tire pressure gauge. Maintaining correct tire pressure is important for vehicle safety and fuel efficiency. Tire pressure gauges are a type of pressure gauge used to measure the pressure in the tires on a vehicle. Proper tire pressure is crucial for vehicle safety, fuel efficiency, and tire life. Since tires are rated for specific loads at specific pressures, it is important to keep the tire pressure at the optimum amount. 5. Smart Tool Cabinet. It can include smart systems that show the location of the tools inside while keeping your tools organized. Effectively prevent and reduce tool loss and theft. Simplify the registration process of tools entering and exiting the library. Prevent errors caused by manual management. Prevent inventory shortages or management negligence. Tools for tracking and finding lost items. Achieve a suitable return on investment by reducing tool replacement costs, management time costs, and making efficiency improvements. 6. Air compressor. These are important devices that store energy by increasing air pressure. Capacity, tank size, is measured in liters or gallons. 20 to 30 liters are preferred for small applications, and 100 liters and above for industrial use. Air pressure, PSI, is usually in the range of 90 to 120 PSY and is sufficient for home and hobby use. Power is determined by engine power, HP, horsepower. Higher power provides more airflow. Compressors are divided into 2 types, oil-based and oil-free. While oil-based ones are durable, oil-free ones offer advantages in terms of cleaning. In terms of portability, lightweight and wheeled portable compressors increase mobility, while fixed ones are larger in size and power. 7. Portable workshop table. A foldable and portable table with storage compartments for tools. The portable workshop table is a sturdy and portable storage solution designed to make your automotive work experience easier. Its lightweight design and wide base allow for flexible use, allowing users to control and maneuver without difficulty. It has a large and durable tray with dividers to efficiently organize contents for easy access during tasks. It has a weight capacity of 100 pounds, making it suitable for professional auto repair shops and home garages. 8. Smart Garage Door System. A modern system with phone control and opening and closing features. The Smart Garage Door System includes sensors and a Wi-Fi connection that allows you to monitor and control your door remotely. Your smart garage door connects to your phone through an app, so you have access to your garage door controls 24/7, even when you are away from home. Since smart garage door openers give you the power to monitor your home from anywhere, you can be sure that your home is well protected at all times. A smart garage door's closing timer setting means you never have to wonder if you forgot to close your garage door again. When you enable this setting, your garage door will automatically close for you after the time you choose. 9. Car battery charger, a great device for charging spare batteries or dead car batteries. Smart chargers are more technologically advanced and can be used both to charge your battery and as a long-term connection for maintenance charging. They come with a variety of additional features and offer multiple charging stages for more efficient charging, which helps extend the life of the battery. It will also automatically detect the fastest charging mode and switch to slow charging mode when the battery is full, so there is no risk of overcharging and damaging your battery. 10. Garage dehumidifier. Prevents vehicles and tools from rusting by controlling the humidity in the garage. A dehumidifier is the best way to get rid of excess humidity in a garage or workshop. It draws in air, absorbs moisture, and sends drier air back outside. Excess water is stored in a tank or drained through a hose. Garage dehumidifiers help you maintain safe environmental conditions. They are important for the overall well-being of the building, which is often subject to leaks, moisture, and mold. But they are also ideal for garages and workshops where people store classic cars, motorcycles, bicycles, camping equipment, tools, and other hobby equipment that needs to be properly maintained. Thank you all for watching up to this point. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if there are other videos you want, I would be happy if you could write them in the comments. I hope to see you in another video. Take care of yourself. Bye.